Santos 244, you're number 1 now on the alpha side, right?
Yeah, we're ready, Santos 244.
Commander 112 Bravo Mike. Sir,
were you able to get your text off?
Yeah, it went off when we were in
good.
Yeah, got it.
Santos 244, you'll be next for departure. I got a citation coming in.
Okay.
Sound like they're busy down here.
Oh, they are, aren't they? Are we still next?
Yeah, we're cleared to land. There's a citation in front of us, but then there's people departing in between.
Oh, gotcha.
That's why he kind of spaced us out a little bit.
Right.
Picard 3445, contact Tampa. See you.
Yep.
We are cleared to land.
Tower, Airman 5, landing assured. Airman 5, roger.
Sarasota Tower, Commander 112, Bravo Mike, ready for takeoff, 14 Charlie.
Commander 112, Bravo Mike, Sarasota Tower, roger, you'll be number 2 for departure.
2 Bravo Mike, roger.
Atlanta 2296, Lima is ready behind the commander.
Atlanta 2296, Lima, Sarasota Tower, roger.
A bunch of people lined up waiting to go out.
Oh.
I don't know if I should slow down a little bit.
Santos 244, traffic Bonanza, 3.5 mile final. Runway 14, line up and wait.
I'm not a banana.
Runway 14,
call me a banana.
wait, Santos 244.
We're a bear, buddy. Come on.
Station 1 Charlie Romeo, where do you park?
Dolphin today.
Station 1 Charlie Romeo, right turn when able. You can turn right on the runway 22 if you're at taxi speed, whichever. Contact ground point 9er.
Ground point 990, we're going to get full flaps, start slowing some more.
Santos 244.
Citation is clear. The citation is clear, and the other guys getting ready to go.
244, see ya.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, caution big turbulence, Falcon is departing, runway 14 clear to land.
Clear land 14, 3 Delta Delta. All right, there he goes. He's gassing on it finally.
$500.
He's off. Didn't take him long to get airborne. Those Falcons are impressive.
Right.
It's a big airplane, but it's very capable of going in and out of short fields. Lots of power. It's just a few more Snicker bars away from a citation.
All right.
Go up a couple pennies on your prices, yeah, and then you'll be good.
Going to Tampa, we'll see you in this 244.
1, 2, 3 guys lined up waiting for us.
Minimums.
Commander 112 Bravo Mike, runway 14, line up and wait.
2 Bravo Mike, 14, line up and wait.
Next after the commander's gone, it'll be Sun Country and then Bonanza 96 Lima.
All right, we'll take it because it's windy out here.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, where do you park?
I'm going to Dolphin.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, right on Delta, and then contact ground point 9er. See you now.
Right on Delta, over the ground, 3 Delta Delta. It's a little squirrely out there. Even this taxi, I feel it pushing me around.
Romeo Alpha, is it possible to do pattern work today?
It is possible to do paddle work, however the winds are 190 at 17, gust 22. We had a couple of people try to do it and then just did a full stop because of the winds. Up to you.
Copy, thank you. 171 Romeo Alpha.
And ground bearing 683 Delta Delta's off at Delta going to Dolphin.
Bearing 683 Delta Delta, right on Alpha, left into Dolphin. See you.
Right on Alpha, left into Dolphin. 3 Delta Delta, thanks.
And ground, good jet 772's Retrix with Alpha, IFR clearance to Houston, ready to copy.
I heard Delta 1497 call up. Say again, sir. Yeah, I heard Houston. Okay, Delta 1497, you're clear to Atlanta Airport via the Circus 4 departure. As filed, maintain 3000. Expect flight level 39010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 119.65, squawk 6611, 6611. Delta 1497, Rebec is correct. Other aircraft calling for your clearance, say again?
At ground 688 772, we have information Alpha, we're at Retrix South, IFR clearance to Houston, I'm ready, copy.
Jet 772, roger, clear to Houston Airport via the Circus 4 departure. As filed, maintain 3000. Expect follow 40010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency.
All right, welcome. Good trip. So now we got to work on a bigger chariot.
Yeah, there you go.
Right?
That would be nice.
It's always nice.